How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Camaro SS, done in Ermine White, bright blue stripe on the nose, got the bright blue interior and blue convertible top. See the grille, bumpers, all in excellent shape. Very nice. Car's super straight down the sides. Original panel car. It's been nicely updated with a fuel injected LT1 350 out of a Corvette. It's got the 700R4 overdrive trans. Taillight bezels appear to be the originals, but they're in excellent shape. The rear bumper's been all re-chromed. Tell you, I really like the bright blue interior with the white exterior. Super classy car. It's got 15-inch Chevy Rallies, BFGs all around. Got your power steering, got your power disc brakes. When they restored the car, they did clone it to the SS. Got the correct SS hood and all badging. Tell you, and the fuel injected motor in this car, just what a dream to drive. All kinds of power, just cruises down the road with the overdrive. You can run it on the freeway, get 20 miles at a gallon. So nice and clean, all the interior is. Beautiful, beautiful car. Got the parade boot. Tell you, it's hard to find a nice, clean convertible. Got all the cocktail shakers like you're supposed to in the quarters and the front fenders. A lot of times people will redo these cars and they won't put them in it. Got jack, spare tire, everything. It's a 2-owner vehicle. They did a nice retrofit AM/FM stereo with your iPad connector and remote. So I really like the bright blue interior in this car. Doors shut nice and solid. Fires right up. Okay, it's got a nice chin spoiler on it, looks tough. Okay, it's just a beautiful, beautiful. Looks like he might get a little bit of sunburn on his head today. Sounds good. It's got dual exhaust with a transverse muffler. Backup lights, everything on the car works. Just a super nice car. Get in this car, cruise it, go to all your shows, just enjoy it. You can check our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.